Bago. Okay. Bigyan ko ng ano, ng... Okay, sandali. Okay. Binigyan kita ng jacket. Okay. Mahal niyan eh. I know. I'll take you a picture though. Can I take your picture so I'll give it to Ate Dong? We have to wait for that then. You want that? I already take a picture and give it to Ate Dong. No. Ayan. May bago pala. Yan. Ayan. Abangan mo na lang, Mikay. Pinadala na. Baka mag-text sila sa'yo. Ay, magtawag pala yung taga-pick up. How about this coloring? You want some coloring? You want that? Okay. Yeah, kasi binigay ko yung phone number. At pinadala ko yung araw na hiningi ko yung phone number mo. Yeah, hello, Catherine. Oh, wow. What is that? Let me see. You want that instead? Oh. Hindi niya mapili ang gusto niya. Ang dami kasing laruan, guys. Ang daming pagpipilian. Wala pa si Jilan. Fashion design, I don't think Daddy would like that one. Let's go on the other side. Oh, bad pa ako tuloy. Bad mom daw. This one? This one? You want this instead? That's a good idea. I think you have to buy it before you see it. We have to wait for Daddy. Pag di na mabili, no? Let's wait for Dad. Ayan na lang sa sale. Oh, you had that lunchtime? Yes, you do. Oh, no, we don't have that. But I'll take your picture and give it to Ate Dong. Ba yun? Okay, so can I give this to Julene? Yeah, this one for Julene. $4.99. Okay. It's just, she likes in the garage. Ala, tignan natin. Well, it's just, ayun, pagalitan siya. Let her just play. I mean, she cannot buy it, so let her play it. Make another one, anak. That's too big, though.
Something over here.
Oh, how about Claire? Are we buying for Claire? She want Play-Doh or Kinetic Sun?
No, she wants this kind of stuff. Should we get her a thinking putty?
Is she like a Kinetic Sun or Play-Doh?
No, we'll get this one. We'll get two.
There's a Play-Doh there, Han. This is Play-Doh. She likes Play-Doh. How about that nice? No, well, they want about this one, $9.99. See, I think that's it.
Want to get Claire this one?
Yeah.
But that's not. She wants this one. She wants Play-Doh.
Is that what you want, Jelana?
Yeah, let's get this for Claire.
Yeah, for Claire.